When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming, where are you now? I hope you're fine, but I won't lie, I still miss you so much. But I don't hold grudge. You had to go. I will save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming. You're like a flower, you've always loved them. When winter comes, you go. Why is it so?
So here it is, a few weeks after we've done our first living willow sculpture. As you can see, it's leafing up nicely, so hopefully it will all look beautiful when the summer really hits. So there'll be lots more garden videos coming to you this summer, so if you want to subscribe, please click. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time. But remember,
Try even more cheesy. Come on, ooze the cheese.
but remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.
When lights go out, you're in my